everyone, this is Jerome De La Cruz and you're watching Jerome's Kid Channel.
But if you close your eyes.
Hi Liza! Dubai baby!
Hello, Liza!
So guys, nandito ako ngayon sa Airport Terminal 1 dito sa Dubai. I'm waiting for the arrival of Liz Kian, Miss Liza Soberano, and Mr. Enrique Hill. So, para sa movie nila na Alone Together. So guys, this coming Friday, February 22, may premiere night po sila dito sa Dubai Mall, and February 23 sa Abu Dhabi. And guys, kasama ko ang mga taga-alumni ng UIPS and
Brittany Waken show po last year of high school. Kami alumni.
Alexis Quiros din po.
So, you are here para...
Let's get.
So, may mga ticket na kayo for the premiere night?
Opo, meron na.
Wow. Mga fan po ba?
Liza.
Talaga si Liza.
Si Ken.
Anyway, ako din, first time ko na makita sila na together. Kasi dati-dati, nakikita ko si Ken.
Si Ken.
Hindi niya kasama si Liza. So,
Hindi pa po sila nun.
so we are waiting for them now. So, anong oras kaya sila lalabas? Pero nakalabas na sila.
Opo, 6:32 po yung landing. So mga maybe 10 to 20 more minutes. Yan na sila.
Anyway, salamat.
Thank you po.
Hi po!
Kompleto naman.
Hi po!
Hi, good. Hi.
Hi po!
Ken, let's go. Salamat po. Thank you. Si Liza ha. Si Liza, patahawakan ko na.
Thank you po.
Hi Liza! And of course, I'm with ate. Galing pa yun ng Abu Dhabi. So, ano naman yung experience mo from Abu Dhabi? Nag-effort ka pa talaga pumunta dito sa Dubai?
Oo, kasi first time ko eh, kaya kailangan hindi ma-miss.
Oo,
Dapat nandito talaga.
So, talagang this kinetics mo kayo.
Happy and actually, pero supporting the boat yung lagat.
And anyway, yung effort mo kasi nag-effort ka from Abu Dhabi to Dubai. So, yun lang. And you have now taken your ticket, right? For the Alone Together.
For Friday
So,
and Saturday.
oh, Friday sa Dubai and Saturday sa Abu Dhabi. Kita-kits po!
Hi, I'm Daniel. I'm one of the Canatics from Dubai. I'm very excited to meet Enrique again after 4 years. After his dad sponsored with Sam Concepcion, that was I think 2016. And now he's with Liza, so I'm very excited to meet Liza too.
So, this is your first time na makita mo?
Meeting Liza. Yeah, together. As Lisken.
So, before Alone, Enrique,
Alone,
and
Enrique.
now together.
Yes.
So, for their movie, Alone Together. You have now your ticket?
Oh yeah.
Wow. Anyway, thank you.
Ay, doon sa may ano.
Liza, si Liza ha.
Hey, Dubai, baby!
Dubai, baby!
Hello, Liza. Nakita ko na ulit si Ken. Ang ganda ni Liza. Sobra.
Bakit ka naiiyak?
Kasi fan na fan po talaga ako kay Ken.
Okay. So on Friday, so you will be there also on the
Yes,
premiere
po,
and
I
press
will.
con. Alright,
Of course.
okay. See you there.
Bye po.
Enjoy.
See
Bye
you all.
bye.
Bye. Kuya, picture tayo! Thank you!
na sinasakyan nila. And thank you guys for supporting them, Liskianatic, sa mga fans ng mga Liskian. Sana manood kayo this coming February 22 and 23, Dubai and Abu Dhabi. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. It's me again, Jeromski, and good night!